We're going to do another science experiment. This one is a lot of fun and a little bit dangerous. We're going to put this egg inside this bottle without breaking the bottle or the egg. How am I going to do that? First thing I have to do is peel the egg. It's a hard-boiled egg. There's the hard-boiled egg. Doesn't fit in the bottle like that. Then I'm going to take a piece of newspaper, about 8 or 10 centimeters square, and I'm going to fold it up into like a littler piece of paper. I'm going to light the paper and drop it right in the bottle. And then put the egg on top and watch this.